Hey everyone, I'm Mukul, and I'm co-founder and CTO at Mashgin. And today I'll be talking about instant item training, practical AI for the retail industry. So what is Mashgin? Mashgin is the world's fastest self-checkout system powered by computer vision. We have a kiosk that has a few cameras at the top, and anything you put under the cameras, we can instantly identify. So to check out, all you do is place all your items at once on the kiosk, pay with your phone, and you're done within a few seconds. Since we are scanning items visually, we do not need barcodes, which means we can scan items such as a slice of pizza or a plate of spaghetti. I want to show you a quick video just to give you a sense of how fast this thing is. This video was recorded at one of our earliest locations, and the idea was we wanted to see how well we do against a cashier. There you go. So someone decided to speed up this video so that we can actually count how many people go through Mashgin versus the cashier line in the background, and you can see for yourself. People are just breezing through the Mashgin line, and the cashier line in the back is moving really slowly. And this was like the first day we launched, so most people didn't even know what this kiosk does. The lady in the back looks pretty amused. I hope she started using our kiosk the next day.